lots of celebrations for the fans as well. First team to win 3 World Cup titles in the T20 format, first team to defend the title and first team also to win at home. Surya Kumar Yadav and company, his team becoming a World Cup winner and a worthy one at that. That's the scorecard on your screens. It was never really too much in doubt after India picked up a few of those early wickets in the chasing innings by the Kiwis. Their openers had got a decent start, but it didn't last very long, and that was the key difference. But of course, once you have 250 plus, 255 in this case on the board, it was always going to be an uphill task. In the semi-finals, yes, England managed to come close because they continued scoring at a very fast clip. But that wasn't the case as far as the New Zealanders are concerned, because once they lost their top few wickets, they were never really in the game. The man of the match once again, or I should say the men of the match once again for India, Sanju Samson with the bat, another 89 of 48 at the top of the order. Today, ably supported by Abhishek Sharma as well, who finally managed to score a 50-plus score, a half-century of just, he scored it off 18 balls, but eventually 52 of 21 today. Another half-century by Ishan Kishan, and India never looked back. And then, how many times have we seen this play out? Shivam Dube with a cameo towards the end, an 8-ball 26. But for that, this total could have been at least 20 runs short. And those 20 runs added a lot more pressure and even momentum towards the Indian team, because at one point it looked like the brakes had been put by the New Zealanders against the Indian batting, and a rampaging score at about the 200-run mark when they were in the 15th and the 16th over. But the final over conceded more than 20, and that brought India back to a 250-plus target as well. Let me go across to Deep Das Gupta joining us. Deep, worthy champions, this Indian team. How many times can a player say they won 2 World Cups? But, you know, many members of this team can say that that's such a huge occasion for them, especially Sky, now becoming a World Cup winning captain.
Absolutely. I mean, listen, they've obviously went into this tournament as firm favorites to win it. Didn't start off well, but it doesn't matter. How you finish is what matters, and they've finished like the champion team they are. The way they've dominated this format for last 2 years, they've actually played their best cricket. They saved the best for the finals. And this is what this Indian T20 team is all about. Domination, fearless, aggressive. And we saw it through and through in this final of the tournament. And yeah, kudos to obviously Gautam, the support staff, Surya as captain. Even when things weren't going their way in the first half of the tournament, they just kept playing the way they know how to play, and this is absolutely superb. And like you rightly said, Shivani, not too many people can brag about 1 World Cup. We're talking about 2 here.
Yeah.
So this is phenomenal, phenomenal.
Absolutely. Chaitanya Nanda and Rakesh Rao also joining us. I do thank you all for continuing to be with us, Chaitanya. Once again, in this final, Sanju Samson, the star with the bat, Jasprit Bumrah, the star with the ball, and 89 by Sanju Samson at a very good strike rate. Of course, Abhishek Sharma came good today, and how many times were we talking about him? But Jasprit Bumrah, 4 wickets today in his 4 overs and a measly 15 runs.
Awesome. I think these players have shown that, you know, how India is dominating T20 cricket. As Deep Bhai said, you know, last 2 years, it is all about Indian team, how they are prioritizing this T20 cricket, monetizing this T20 cricket. It is awesome. They know how to, you know, go about it. And the best part is from number 1 till number last, everybody comes and, you know, perform what they are scripted to do, what they are told to do, and they don't care about it. They just come and play their shots. We lost few wickets in between, but the last over, the way Shivam Dube batted, it again took the momentum towards Indian team. And the way Jasprit Bumrah, we have no